Welcome back to George the Indian Farmer. It's harvest time in many parts of Kerala at this time of the year. It is 10th March and you can see the rice fields are harvested here and the sheep are set in. They are foraging in the rice fields. Some are foraging in the rice fields and some are on the fringes eating green grass. You can see the coconut palms on the fringes of the rice paddy fields. This is in Kollengode, which is in Palakkad district, close to the Tamil Nadu border. There are vast swaths of rice cultivation, rice paddy fields, and Palakkad is called the rice bowl of Kerala. So, I was traveling to Trichy, which is in Tamil Nadu, from Trichur, which is my hometown. And on both sides of the road in this district in Palakkad, you can see rice paddy fields. And in many places, the rice is ready for harvest. And here you can see it is post-harvest and the bales of hay are there on the rice fields which has to be picked up. You can see the bales of hay. This is the main road which is connecting Kollengode to the neighboring Tamil Nadu state. This is in Kerala state and the neighboring state is Tamil Nadu, and this is the road passing through this rice paddy fields. This is the rice ready for harvest, rice paddy. You can see the grains there swaying in the summer breeze. It's very hot outside, close to around 40 degrees here in Palakkad. Nice coconut groves. It's not a coconut grove actually, these are columns of coconut palms on the fringes of the rice paddy field. This is loaded with rice grains. You can see that. So there are rice harvesting machines which are shipped into the state from the neighboring Tamil Nadu, and these big green machines of John Deere and tractor machines, they all become part of the harvesting process. Once the rice paddy is harvested, it is taken to the rice mills, flour mills, where they are converted into rice and filled in sacks and sent across the country. So it's a nice scene to see the full-blown rice paddy fields just before harvest, and on the far end it is the hills of Paddy, which is a hill resort in Kerala state, and it stretches into the western Ghats into the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu also. So these are the foothills of the Paddy hills. So it's a nice scenery to have the rice paddy field on one side and the hills in the background. I took a stroll in the middle of the rice field to some extent, not so far. It was nice to have the breeze, the cool, slightly cool breeze from the hills of Paddy, especially when you are beneath the coconut palms. Otherwise, if you are in the sun, out in the sun, it is hot. This is the summer season in Kerala, stretches till the end of May, and after that comes the monsoon rains. So the land is first heated up and then the heat rises up, bringing in the rains. It's a good season, especially the festival season here in Kerala. The Hindu festivals are there in these months of February and March, especially, where the temples celebrate their annual festivals, small and large. In Tamil Nadu and in the neighboring district, my district Trichy, where we have the world famous Puram, where there are hundreds of caparisons elephants lined up with decorated umbrellas and exchanging those umbrellas, and it's a feast for the eyes. It's a place where thousands and thousands of people converge every year, and due to the COVID for the last 2 years didn't take place, but I hope to see that Puram festival this year. Likewise, there are festivals here in this district as well, in Palakkad. In the last few weeks there were big festivals in this part of the state. So, being a farmer, I am happy to see this rice paddy fields, and I took time to spend some time in the paddy field, watching the grains taking in the breeze, swaying in the breeze. This is a busy highway, state highway. You can see the Nelliyambadi hills, which I just mentioned, in the backdrop. This is a canal which takes water to the rice paddy fields, and on both sides of the canal the coconut palms are there. Large coconut palms. They are you can see the small dwarf varieties, and this one is very tall. Although the canal is dry now in this place, but I saw a canal with running water. There are dams on the foothills of this Nelliyambadi hills, which is called Pothundi Dam, from where there runs canals in many directions to irrigate these paddy fields. These are the Nelliyambadi hills. Quite a popular place among tourists from both the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It's a cool place, several meters above the sea level. I visited. This is a small canal with water in it, and there are little fishes swimming around. So I would love to see this scenery. In my childhood, I used to visit the paddy fields where we used to have paddy cultivation, and those childhood memories still linger around in my mind. It's very nice to be in the paddy field and enjoy the greenery around, the swaying palms, the swaying rice paddy grains. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.